All Romtec structures are site-built with conventional construction materials. That means that there are several steps to prepare the site for the building prior to the construction. Prior to delivery, Romtec Construction Management instructs the owner or general contractor as to how to develop the building pad. The building pad must be prepared 6 inches below the finished floor elevation of the building. More specifically, any weeds or debris need to be cleared, as the building pad will need a minimum of 6 inches of engineered fill placed prior to pouring the slab. When preparing for the building, the pad should extend 5 feet beyond the building footprint in each direction. And once the pad is prepared, then the pad will need to be surveyed for the building by marking the corners for the building and the finished floor elevation. Sometimes there's a geotech report specific to the building site. These reports may require specific prep, such as excavating down to a depth that is defined by the report, or building up the building pad every 12 inches with engineered fill and doing compaction tests. All Romtec buildings are designed for a building site that is rated at 1,500 pounds per square foot. Finally, the utilities should be within 10 feet of the building pad, and these utility lines should be approximately 36 inches below finished floor elevation, unless Romtec is advised otherwise.